Hi, welcome to California Food Forest here in Southern California. We're about to cut into our first orange sherbet mango, and we'd like to share our experience with you today. All right, ready for our taste test here to share and our experience with you all. Woohoo!
First one.
All
right. I
right.
can't wait. I've been waiting for this. The knife is not very sharp. Wow, look at how dark that is. I have a feeling it's a little bit ripe.
It's like a rich
Might be
orange
a little bit
color.
overripe. The first time I had this was the best fruit I'd ever had in my whole life, and I went out and bought
Those
another
are
tree.
big too. Those.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit overripe. Plus, this was not tree ripened, so I'm going to let you take the first one.
All right.
Tell me what you think.
It's good.
So what flavors are you getting from that?
It tastes a little like coconut, a little bit.
It does have a coconut.
It does have a
flavor.
little bit of coconut flavor.
The first one that I had was tasted like an orange 50/50 bar, but this one tastes more like coconut than it does orange.
Last time it was more like orange. It's good though. Really, really good.
It is good. It's not nearly as good as the first time I'd had it.
Yeah, definitely the first one was more of an orange, tangy type, flavor.
I think I'm gonna.
It's still really good.
The next one, I think we're gonna eat a little bit earlier.
Still really, really good.
Maybe just a little bit overripe.
Still really good.
But
would definitely recommend the orange sherbet mango tree for sure.
What would you rate that on a scale of, say, 1 to 10?
I mean, it's super good, but the first time I ate it was like a real strong orange taste. I wouldn't give it a 10 just because of that.
Yeah. Another one?
So, all right. But super good. Love it. Got to get one. Try it.
Yeah, we'll have to. We'll do another one later. That's maybe less ripe, but definitely good. Good mango. All right, that was our first one that we ate of the season. I took one to a mango party, but we've got 3 more on this side. We got some more on the back, but I think that one was just a little bit overripe. And then also, it wasn't tree ripe, and it sat in a bag for about 2 weeks. So the one I had last year that was so good, it was tree ripened. So I think maybe we should let these tree ripen and then eat them before they get so orange.
Check this out. These are the biggest mangoes we've had so far. Check them out. Dane and Sherry's California Food Forest. Welcome to California Food Forest here in Southern California. We're about to cut into our first orange sherbet mango.